Welcome to Santrohive. Today I will show you one of the best products for a furniture automations, our Santrohive Smart Drawer Lock. It's impact, stylish and super easy to install. Now you can turn your normal drawer into smart drawer in just a minutes. This lock works with your fingerprints, Bluetooth, even your Apple Watch too. You can store up to 10 fingerprints and unlock from your mobile phone. It's run on 3 AAA batteries and has an emergency US power port, so you will never be locked out. Built with a strong ABS body and metal locking mechanisms, it fits 12 to 16 wooden drawer or cabinets perfectly, ideal for offices, homes, and wardrobes. So, make your furniture smart, secure, and elegant with the Centrohive Smart Locks because smart living starts with the Centrohive. If you want more information about the model, kindly contact us info@centrohive.com.